Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today I have a fun challenge for you. A few weeks ago, we tried to paint with coffee, and little did I know that my artist friends are masters of coffee painting. So naturally, the competitive spirit in me had to up my game for this painting with chocolate challenge. Before I begin, I need you to check out all these amazing artists in their respective channels. I've added all their links in the description below. I was wondering if it's possible to recreate a bokeh effect painting solely with one color and chocolate as a medium. After this challenge, I realized what a basic painter I was without any colors to work around with. It was very tough. If I didn't mention bokeh, you'd probably be wondering what those random circles were. I started the first layer with cocoa powder, then I melted a little bit of milk chocolate and added it to the mix for the darker shades. Though it didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it to, I had a lot of fun experimenting with this task. Makes me inspired to try more monotone painting to get a better understanding of how light, shape and form works. Anyway, don't forget to check out the rest of the collaborating artists. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
There's no room beside me. I'm not looking for romance. Say I'll be here. There's no way you'll understand. All I want is
Shawty gon' get that fever. Shawty got back like razor. Shawty got
kill me. OC to lock this bitch up. Life ain't fake, right be your cut. Think I spy, I am my bucks. Great look down and I am woke up. Buying my shit, crying my shit. Live in the money rebate, I don't slip. Still trying to body some men, nobody even entertain. But I'm bottling in this thing. Don't get that paper. Shawty's on rip like razor. Shawty got wake up flavor. Part of my tits and makeup. Play her. She put it in that layup. Shawty ain't wait for ketchup. Shawty gon' get that paper. Pay her. I've been trying not to go off the end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the end. I don't think you wanna give me. I don't want another lover, so don't keep holding out your hands. There's no room beside